How to transfer money from Chime to Cash App. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process shortly, so let's just get started. You can launch the Cash App on your mobile device first of all. For that, and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. After you open it up, you may just go ahead and scroll down and select the option of linked banks and then tap on link debit card, which is this one right here. After you do so, you can just go ahead and follow up the process. So manually input your Chime debit card number, expiration date, CVV code, billing zip code linked to the card of your Cash App. And once your card is linked, you can navigate to the main home screen and tap on the banking tab. And once you head over the banking tab, you can tap on add cash to enter the amount you wish to transfer and select your Chime debit card as the funding source and complete the transfer. So that is how you complete and transfer money from Chime to Cash App. It is quite easy. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.